Meaning of exeat.
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 Exeat. Exeat is a Latin word that has been commonly used in British English boarding schools. It refers to a temporary leave of absence granted to a student by the school's authorities. The granting of an exeat allows a student to leave the boarding school's premises for a short period of time, such as a weekend or a holiday break. During an exeat, students are allowed to spend time with their families or pursue other interests outside of school. Exeats can have a positive impact on students' mental health and overall well-being, as they provide an opportunity for rest and relaxation.